This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Oscar Fortune. Investment opportunity, 2-bed/1 bath. The exterior has metal roof, vinyl siding, double pane replacement windows. The electrical has been roughed in. The interior needs to be completed. For more information, review the details below or contact Oscar Fortune at 405-747-6042.